Now, change the following to percentages. Number 1, you have 0.33. Number 2, 0.025. You can go ahead and pause the video, try this yourself using the skills we have learned so far, and then compare your answers to what we get at the end of this video. Solution. For number 1, you convert this first to a fraction. That is, we have 0.33 over 1. Now we multiply by, the numerator will be multiplied by 100, and the denominator is also multiplied by 100. This would give us 33 over 100. Now to convert this to a percentage, we simply do 33 over 100 multiplied by 100%. Now you can easily see that 100 divides 100, and then what we have left as our answer is 33%. Now to number 2. Number 2, we have 0.025. Bringing this to fraction, we just say divided by 1. And then we multiply by powers of 10. Since there are 3 decimal points, it will be multiplied by 1000 for both numerator and denominator. And this would give us, for the numerator, we have 25 over 1000. You can work with this straight or still bring it to its simplest form. And if we do this, we divide by 5 here, divide by 5 here. This would give you 5 over 100. You can still do more. 5 over 100 dividing by 5 this time. We will still get now 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 100 divided by 5 will give us 20. Now let's bring 1.1 over 20, to percentage. So we multiply this by 100%. Now 20 here 1, 20 in 100 will go 5 times. That is, we have 1 times 5%. So our final answer is 5%. I believe that you also got the same answer as we did. If you did, well done. Thank you for watching this video.